In this video, I'm going to show you the very simple way that you can get more followers on Instagram using adverts. Now, usually when we run adverts, whether on Facebook and Instagram, both of them are controlled by the Meta Ads Manager platform. So it's common for most people to try to run the adverts going to Meta Ads Manager platform. And the thing is that may not be the most effective way for you to run profile visit adverts. That is adverts that will get people to visit your profile and follow you. So if you're looking to get people to follow you on Instagram, this is the best way, the most effective method you can go about it. And guess what? It's very easy and you can do it with your smartphone in few minutes. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this. And towards the end, I'll tell you why you should not use the ads manager if you're looking to get Instagram followers. So make sure you watch till the end. The first thing you need to do is to make the post. Post whatever it is you want to use to attract people. Make sure it is an educational post. Then you open your Instagram, go to your profile, look for that post that you want to use and get people to visit your profile. And then you click on the post that you want to use. For me, I want to use this post I made a few seconds ago on sales lessons I learned after selling my course to thousands of people. This kind of post is the post that does well with this profile visit advert because it's positioning you as an authority in your niche. Next thing I want to click on is boost post. Boost post, you can see it just there, that blue button just under the post. You're going to click on it and then they're going to ask you, what do you want to achieve? What is your goal for this ad that you want to run? So you can see they'll give you three options. One, more profile visits. Two, more website visits. Three, more messages. So profile visits is if you want people to follow you. Remember, that's the ad that we want to run. So we're going to click on more profile visits and click on next. The next thing is they're going to ask us to fill in more details about the kind of audience we want to attract. Now there are two options, either automatic, that means you allow Instagram to give you audience, or manual. Now this is what the manuals will look like. If you click on manual, you're going to be asked to put location. So let's say just want your ad to be shown to a few people in a particular city like Lagos. You can just click on add location and type Lagos, Nigeria, and you can just that ad to be shown to only people in Lagos. This works for you if your product is location based. Let's say you're a caterer and you only serve to people in a particular location. You can't really transport the food outside the state. Then you can select a small location. And then interest, you can also select some things they're interested in, maybe business, finance, or popular people that they follow, like Brian Tracy. Your audience, you should know the kind of people that your audience follow, right? Your ideal clients follow. Then you can choose their age and gender and all of that. But for me, I honestly would trust Instagram to do the work for me. I'm going to click on automatic. Let Instagram choose people that are ideal for this content. And then the next thing is to choose your budget, right? So I'm going to take it down to the lowest, which is 2,952 naira per day right now. And then the duration, I think I'd rather put it at run this ad until I pause it. Why would I choose that? Because let's say the ad runs for a day and I don't like the results, I want to be able to turn it off. But if you set duration to maybe 5 days, the ad will not be able to go off until that 5 day period has elapsed. So whether you like the result or not, the ad has to run for that 5 days. So we rather select run this ad till I post it. So you can post it at any time that you want, right? And then once you've selected that, you set your budget, you're going to click on next. And then they're going to show you everything that you just filled in right now. And they're going to give you an option to preview your ad, to see what your ad is going to look like to your audience. So once you come to this page now and you click on review your ad, this preview your ad now, this button up there, preview your ad with the arrow, they're going to show you what your ad will look like both on the feed, on stories, and also on explore page. So this I clicked on feed and this is what my ad look like. I don't know if you've seen sponsored posts like this. You just see the person's name, you see sponsored under, and then there's a button underwards that asks you to visit their profile. That's exactly what my ad will look like once I have set it up. So when I click on next, I go back and click on next, they're going to ask me to put money in my ad account. Now, if your ad account does not look like this, or if you're trying to click on next and it does not work, but they're asking you to pay in dollars, you cannot pay in dollars, then you need to watch my most recent video where I showed you how to create an ad account in Naira that allows you to pay with your Naira card from any part of the world. So you don't have to start converting to dollars and dealing with all the exchange rates issues. So once you click on that, they're going to ask, once you click on add funds, you put the amount you want to add and click on add funds, they're going to ask you to put your card details. Now you can put any Visa or MasterCard at all, UBA, GTB, First Bank, any bank at all. It works perfectly here. So you put in your card details, you're going to be asked to confirm your details. You can either ask them to send you an OTP SMS. And then that's what I selected. They'll send the SMS to my phone number. And then I put in the SMS, click on submit, and that is it. My account has been funded, my ad account has been funded. And that means that my ad can now run effectively. If this seems so confusing to you, watch my recent video. I'm going to put it up in the description. You can see my transaction was successful. The next thing to do now is to go to your Ads Manager app to check on this ad that you just created right now to see if it is active. And so once I went to my Ads Manager app, I can see it there. I refreshed it, and that's the first thing there. You can see in review. A few minutes later, it is active because it has been approved by Facebook. So that is exactly how you can get this done. So I promise to tell you why this is more effective. And this is more effective because if you run the ad through your Ads Manager on your laptop or your system, once that ad is active, once people click on that visit profile option, they will be required to go to their browser to check out your profile, which is a long process for people, which they may not follow till the end. But once you follow this method using the Instagram app, if you want to get more profile visitors and more followers on your Instagram account, once they click on that visit Instagram profile, they are still in the Instagram app and they see your profile. So remember, there's a video I did some time ago, and I said if the process is long for people, you're going to lose them. That is the honest truth. Once the process is too long for them to get to you, to contact you, to take action, you're going to lose them because they are always in a hurry. So do everything possible to reduce the process for people, which is why you should use this method if you want to get more profile visitors and more followers on your Instagram account. I hope this video helps you, and if it does, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your friends and family, people that are important to you. Post it on your WhatsApp status, post it on your Facebook story, post it on your Instagram story. Help somebody, and that person will definitely be grateful to you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.